These workers fear for their jobs. They work for Ford India, which will shut down production by the end of 2021, leaving thousands unemployed.
Now the company is suggesting that by the end of December, all of them will be removed, leading to unemployment of nothing less than 12 to 15,000 people, meaning 50 to 60,000 people will be affected.
Ford's exit is going to affect thousands, but it's not the first international auto giant to exit India. Two other auto majors, GM and Harley Davidson, have also exited India in recent years. India is a highly price-sensitive market in which the masses are most concerned about value for money. So if you are an automobile company and you want to cater to the Indian market, you have to reach out to the masses, and to do that, to get economies of scale, it is very important that you cater to the sub 5 lakh auto segment or have a car which sells for less than 5 lakhs. Now Ford was not able to cater to this category or this segment of the market the way Hyundai or Maruti Suzuki could. Ford's biggest hits were the EcoSport and the hatchback Figo, which could reach the masses but could not sustain for too long. GM, which left India in 2017, had a few hits over the years with the Chevrolet Spark and the Opel Astra, but were unsuccessful in gaining a larger chunk of the pie. Now when we talk about Harley Davidson, their ouster from India can be pinned on a flawed approach towards the Indian market. Now India is a booming superbike market, but the volumes still exist in the inexpensive commuter bike categories, which is a category which Harley Davidson just could not tap into. The cheapest Harley Davidson in India cost around rupees 6 lakhs before tax, something that was out of reach for most Indians. So the Indian customer needs to see value in the purchase, maintenance and resale of the vehicle. Cars which are affordable to buy, cheap to maintain and easy to sell are the ones which reach out to the masses, and reaching the masses is very essential if you want to gain a bigger piece of the pie in the Indian auto market.